All right, I know you're excited about creating your first Humitar videos, but I have something especially important for those of you who want to take your business to the next level. And that is the agency packages.
Here's the deal. We're giving you not one, not two, but three specialized options. So virtually anyone who wants the incredible Human Synthesis Studio agency upgrade can join the family. But you need to act now to take advantage of the massive savings. It's perfect for you if you already realize the enormous potential for this very much so groundbreaking software, or you're planning to build the team to ramp up your Humitar video production, or you're thinking of working even with a small group of clients now or in the future. Agency will give you the flexibility to get the absolute most out of this groundbreaking software. This is where it gets really exciting, planning and crafting your business the way you want. Let's look first at the package that will give you the most value, Agency Unlimited. We're offering you unlimited video renderings, 25 sub-user accounts for your team, complete video scripts from the hottest niches, and increasing the max video length to 12 minutes. Unlimited renderings allows for massive scalability. Additional full video scripts will help you deliver quality videos in 25 of the hottest niches in today's market. The ability to produce up to 12-minute videos means you could create higher-earning projects, so you're setting yourself up for even more success. The 25 sub-user accounts, which, in my opinion, is the most important part of this offer, allows you to have a team of Humitar video producers working for you. This gives you the option to step back from the front lines of video creation and concentrate more on scaling your Humitar business. Now, this is where the potential for big bucks really starts to get realized with Human Synthesis Studio. If the unlimited option does not work for you right now, we have two other packages to select from too. Agency Pro also includes videos up to 12 minutes and the specialty video templates, but Agency Pro includes 250 video renders with 10 sub-user accounts. Still, that's a lot. And Agency Lite, again, the affordable option, includes videos up to 12 minutes and the specialty video templates, but Lite has 150 video renderings and 5 sub-user accounts included. Great way to get started. Both Pro and Lite are at an exclusive discounted launch price as well. Pro and Lite still give you the option to get a very healthy number of renderings at this extremely low specialty launch price. But if you're leaning towards that unlimited option, it would be in your best interest to invest in that today because it won't be available later for this price. We're sure that you understand how expensive this technology is, and when we start getting thousands of videos being rendered daily, it will be impossible for us to offer unlimited renderings to everyone. We'd actually go out of business. Therefore, we must limit this agency offer to only those who are serious about using Human Synthesis Studio in their business in a major way. Each option is spelled out on this page. They're great, but just to clarify, it's the unlimited that's the most valuable option because you'll never have to purchase another video rendering again. We're talking total freedom with this amazing software with a whopping 25 sub-user accounts. Then there are the Pro 250 and Lite 150 video rendering packages, available as I mentioned, with fewer sub-user accounts. Each of these packages also includes videos of up to 12 minutes and the specialty video templates.
I can't stress it enough. This offer is about setting up your business now for the future and taking advantage of this exclusive savings opportunity that you're getting right here, right now. You know, right now, in fact, you're getting 75% or more discounted from what the price of these packages will be once the launch special is over. Now, this special will disappear in a matter of days or even hours, depending on when you're actually seeing this. Now, I can tell you firsthand, it is so frustrating to have an opportunity like this now and have it pass you by because you don't think you need it, and then you come back a month later, 6 months later, even a year down the road, and realize you could have saved hundreds or even thousands of dollars if you would have taken immediate action. Now, that happened to me recently with something similar, and I've been kicking myself in the head weekly for not taking advantage of what I really wanted. And we don't want that for you. We want you in right now because this is when the price will be the lowest. If you realize the massive potential that you have with Human Synthesis Studio, make sure to grab the agency packages at one of these options before the special offers are gone. Thank you for your time, and we'll see you inside the members area, of course.